Today, I am here to talk to you about a really awesome opportunity that is being sponsored by AudioFile, which is a literary magazine. But every summer, they do something really cool for teens. They do, oh, I really hope that didn't cut out. I'm going to start over just in case. Hi, Miss Gabby. I'm here today to talk to you about free audiobooks for teens. These are some free downloads that are happening all summer long, and it's sponsored by AudioFile. So every summer they do Sync, so SYNC, and they make audiobooks available to teenagers. So I'm going to walk you through the process of how to sign up and use the Sync program. We're also going to post links and instructions so that you can do it later if you'd like on how to set up your account. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to audiobooksync.com. I really hope that's not backwards, but that's the important part is how you spell sync right in there. And what you'll want to do is register for Sync 2020. There's a big bar at the top and it wants you to put in an email address. So that's all you need to get started is an email. Once you've done that, you'll need to take either your tablet or your device and download the Sora app. So it's S-O-R-A, and it is the student version of Overdrive, which is an app we use in the library for audiobooks and other library materials all the time. So once you've downloaded Sora, you'll open it, and it'll ask you to either enter a student code, or you can go to the bottom of your page, and there's a button that says I have a setup code. So if you click that, you put in the setup code Audiobook Sync. It's the same for everybody. And if you want, you can add your public library or your school and use that to access it too, or you can use the generic code. And then you'll enter the same email address in Sora that you used when you were on the Sync website. So same email. And then you'll click on Explore, and once you're in it, today it looks like this. So every week from now and through summer, there will be 2 young adult audiobooks available for you to listen to and download. So today, it starts today. So the first offers are the 57 Bus and Monday's Not Coming. So you'll I'm going to click on the 57 Bus. And it takes me to its homepage. So it tells me what it's about. It gives it a review. It talks about the author. It talks about the categories that it's in. So it covers things like law, sociology, crime, young adult nonfiction. So it tells you about it. So you can decide whether or not you want to check it out. And if you do want to check it out, you click borrow. So it's going to think there for a minute. And then okay, so it's loading. And then all you have to do is click play. All right. So when you are done checking out the book, you can go down here to the bottom of your screen. It'll say shelf. All right. So then it shows you what you've checked out. And the cool part about this feature is you get to keep these books. They're not like other library audiobooks where they disappear from your account after a certain amount of time. It downloads them to your device, so I recommend doing it on something where you have a good amount of storage. And then, so it says in the bottom here, it says due in 35,999 days. So I do not have to give this back anytime soon. I can access it over and over again. So then it shows you all the ones that you have saved. And if you want to go and listen to it, you just click on it. So I'm going to click on Monday's Not Coming. That's the one I downloaded earlier. And it gives me lots of options. I can renew it. I can return it. Maybe I don't want it taking up storage anymore. I can finish it. I can put it in lists. Or I click on Open Audiobook. It'll load. And then I can start listening to it. So every week there will be 2 different young adult books that you can check out and download and listen to. And they have some pretty awesome titles lined up for this year. If you're on the audiobooksync.com, so the website version, you can look at the entire summer lineup and get really excited for the books they're offering. I hope there are some good ones on there that you're excited about. I'm definitely excited for a lot of them. And if you're using the Sync audiobook feature, be sure to share with us which one you're reading and which ones you're enjoying. And if you have any questions about this program, feel free to message me, and we will take care of setting you up with some awesome free audiobooks so you have all summer to listen to them. All right, and be sure to check our Facebook page and Instagram for instructions in case you missed this video or in case it didn't work. I'm noticing some glitches, but we'll hope it did. All right, thanks for tuning in. Bye, guys.